Hi there, I'm Rachel Evans from the Workshop Whisperer, and I'm thrilled to announce that you are now able to join me and my team and hundreds of other auto repair shops around Australia and New Zealand by implementing a 4-day work week into your business. We have been helping auto repair shop owners just like you since 2016 to transform their business and working life. And for the first time ever, you are now able to go online and step yourself through the transition from your 5, maybe 6-day work week down to a 4-day work week using my revolutionary new online 4-day work week program. Now, you might be skeptical. You might have heard things in the media. Your team members might have heard things in the media. You might have questions like, how will I be as profitable? How will my team be as productive? And your team may have questions like, will I still get the same pay or will I have to take a pay cut? I address all of those questions for you. I even provide you with answers for your team members, FAQ sheets. I provide you with the templates for implementing your trial before you go to a permanent 4-day work week. In the media, they want you to believe that there's only one style of 4-day work week, but because we've been helping auto repair shop owners just like you for so many years to transition to a 4-day work week, I can guarantee you that there is more than 5 models of a 4-day work week, and at least one of them is going to suit your business. So if you're looking to move into 2024 having a better work-life balance for yourself and for your team members, then make sure you take advantage of our brand new online start anytime, take it at your own pace online program. There's 9 modules that's going to take you through an introduction to the 4-day work week, all of the models that we've created over the years, one of which will definitely suit your business. Explanations for your team members, as I've mentioned. I provide you with all the documentation that you'll need, letters to employees, meeting agendas to discuss the rules of your trial, etc. And then I take you through all of the other steps required to ensure that your transition to a 4-day work week is a smooth and sustainable one. You will find, as hundreds of other auto repair shop owners have over the last 8 years, that not only can your team be more productive, your business can be more profitable under a 4-day work week regime. If you'd also like to reduce the incidence of team being away sick, if you'd like better communication in your auto repair shop, and even if you'd like more happy customers coming to your auto repair shop, then this 4-day work week transition program is for you. So click the link here that comes along with this video and take the very first step, which is for you to learn everything there is to know about how to transition to a 4-day work week trial. And in the program, I will take you through every other step. I really look forward to seeing you get that work-life balance that you've always dreamt of, not just for you, but for your team as well in 2024.